Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another 10 on the 10th where we make Christmas cards, and this is hosted by Kim of Metal Scrap and Chick here on YouTube. There are a lot of other collaborators with me, so please check them out in the description box below, and we will get started. This time I went ahead and decided finally to use my Holiday Wishes kit. Now I believe it's called Merry and Bright, but it's got some similar things in it, and this gives you an idea. It's got a really cute pattern paper, and it's got all the different little shaker card components. There's one, and then the different little bags of shaker bits. And I went ahead and put everything on a metal magnetic sheet. I could do a total of 12, but honestly I managed to do 6. And I'll explain as I go. Okay, this one is, I did a big flag here, and I matted it with some more pattern paper. And this was the stamp set in the kit. It's a really cute stamp set. Got a lot of cute fonts. And here's my shaker bit. They're really not too hard. It is a learning curve, and these aren't 10-minute cards, I'll tell you that. So there is definitely a learning curve, and I used a piece of red white twine. So there's my first card. And then this one, this is the season. I did this in silver, and the card base is silver. And then I used Nuvo drops, and this is one of the new ones called Holiday Cheer, and this is Emerald City. And then here's 2, and then this I used my punch. This is my Stampin' Up! Wreath Builder punch. And this one, I've always wanted to do one of these, and for some reason, here they are. The shaker bits got stuck. I enjoyed doing this. It was, you know, a little bit more intricate. Peace, love, and joy. And this one, I went ahead and just did this by hand, even though there is a stamp there in the kit. And these pieces here, I had these. I bought these from Etsy 5 years ago. And I think these were the last 2. But I did purchase the die that I think these were made from. And so I will show you that when I get it. But I used this silver from Tim Holtz. And then I put a little flag in the corner. And the card itself is silver. And then this was actually the very first card I made. I love this pattern paper. And here's your little flag. And here's the bigger flag with Merry Christmas. This isn't from in the kit. I believe this was a Hero Arts sentiment. And I've only made one other shaker card in my life, and that was with Make and Take with my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So I didn't know how much shaker bits to put in. So some have a lot, some had not very many. So I did 6, so I will make up for that next time. And I did use my own sequin mixes too. I have the pinkish purplish, and also white and silver. Again, please make sure to check out everybody else that's down in the description box and see what they created. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.